That is how fast people are running at this time to check out these deals happening in the Florida City and Homestead area of Miami. The reason is because the developer is doing a grand opening sale, which I've never seen them do this before, where they're actually reducing their starting prices from $415,000 down $25,000 to $390,000. And they're developing townhomes with and without garages of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,300 square feet under AC up to 1,800 square feet under AC. You can get yourself one of these new homes with a full warranty for the first year, like all these new construction homes come with, and get it with just little as $13,000 to $15,000. Because guess what, guys? They are paying for all of your closing costs, which has a value of up to $30,000 that you do not need to dish out of your pocket. On top of that, they're paying for you to get a preferential interest rate of 4.5% fixed for 30 years. But if that wasn't enough, on top of that, they're paying for you to take a benefit of the 2-and-1 buyout, which essentially means the first year you're getting a 2.5% mortgage, and then in the 30 years when you're going to pay the 4.5% mortgage rate, which is still an amazing deal. Which, where in today's real estate market are you going to find a brand new home below $400,000 where you can get it with a 2.5% mortgage? Exactly, nowhere. But if you want to know how you can get started, all you gotta do is send me a message and I'll show you the ropes. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.